As I mentioned earlier, Firebase is an umbrella framework, and under that umbrella, there are a lot of different products come under Firebase. If you go to the products page on the Firebase website, you will be able to see all the different products that they offer. One of the most important products for us is the real-time database, meaning that database will be provided to you by Firebase. You can insert records in the Firebase database and you can get the immediate notification of what got changed, what got inserted or deleted. Firebase also provides you with crash analytics. Basically, it allows you to find out if your app crashed and logs the error. Cloud Firestore is the new version of the real-time database. If you are building a very large app, then you might be interested in Cloud Firestore. It is currently in beta framework, and whenever it comes out of beta, I will definitely cover that. Authentication. Firebase is amazing in authentication. You can create your own custom authentication, meaning with a username and password, or you can use some providers like Facebook and Twitter and Instagram and so on. Cloud Function, cloud storage, it is basically used for a lot of different things. You can see the hosting is also available. You can host also using Firebase, performance monitoring, and so on. Firebase also provides you with cloud messaging, basically the notification, which we will cover in the future. And you can see there are so many different products available using Firebase. Now, you don't really have to know all the products. You obviously only use the products that you need. And in our case, we will be using the Firebase real-time database and also Firebase storage. Let's look at the use cases and see which companies are using Firebase. And you can see there are some big players using Firebase, including the New York Times, Economist, Shazam, and the Todoist. Alibaba.com also uses Firebase in some of their applications. Keep in mind that Firebase, although it's showing you the mobile interface or mobile web apps using either the Android or iOS, it also works on the web framework. And that's a great thing. You have just one database and you're inserting your records in one Firebase database, which can be accessed using Android, iOS, as well as web. The last part is the pricing part. Now, we will be using the free tier of Firebase. And to be really honest, the free tier itself, which is known as the Spark plan, it is very, very good. And it provides you with a lot of stuff that you will not really want to go to the Flame plan or 25 or the paid version of the plan. If you, however, exceed the limit of the free plan, then trust me, it looks like you're doing great in your business and you should be able to afford $25 a month. But according to my apps that I have designed, and I have designed a lot of apps using Firebase, I have never really exceeded the plan, which is the Spark plan for free. And you can see different things. So Cloud Firestore, you have 1 GB total for storage, you have 5 gigabytes, and a lot of different things available with the free plan. In this particular course, we will be using free plan. But obviously, if your app is a super hit, and I hope it is, then you can always go back and change your plan to the paid plan or Blaze plan, which is pay as you go, depending on your needs. Now that we have understood the Firebase, the concept of Firebase as a backend as a service, and different products that it offers, now let's go ahead and check out the application that we will be building using the Firebase framework.